Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back. It's the end of the month, so therefore I have March bag ready to show you guys. This bag, it came together. I really didn't know how it was gonna come together, and that's how I am with some of my bags. Like I see the vision, but then I have to change up sometime. Now this bag, it started out with 3 colors that kept coming to mind, red, gold, and a navy. But when I started to put it together, they were too dark colors. Like that's 3 dark colors, so it just wasn't giving off what I needed it to give off. So I had to throw in a lighter color. So I threw in like a cream or a beige color. But without further ado, here is March's bag. This is March's bag. And as you can see where the gold, the navy, and the red was coming from, the anchor fabric pattern is in gold, navy, and the red, it also has like a little bit of cream in there. So that's why I had to lighten it up a little bit and add the cream into the bag itself, because it just wasn't giving what I needed it to give. So the handle of this bag is made with a rope cord. It's some rope that I had left over from some other projects that I was working on for myself. And so I used this for the handle and just added like a little knot in it. But it came out really pretty. So this is March's bag. Now the name of this bag is Nala. That's N-A-I-L-A-H, Nala. And she is an African origin, Swahili in particular. And it means success or attainer, one who succeeds or is seen as ambitious, goal-oriented, or capable of overcoming obstacles. So this is her, Nala. And I added 2 little snaps just to close her up, like that, because she can be worn or styled 3 different ways. You can wear her as a shoulder bag, simple, really cute. You can also wear her at your arm, sort of like that. Or you can actually take your the rope off and or put it in the inside. Just throw it in the inside, and you can wear her as a clutch, like that. So yeah, this is Nala, March's bag. And I have some other updates to give you all, and where you can actually, what site you can actually purchase her on. I will come back with some more information on my website and what's taking place moving forward. But I don't want to overload this video with that information. I will come with another video, and I will put that video out on Sunday, this coming Sunday. So when you see this, it should be Wednesday when you see this. So once again, this is March bag, and her name is Nala. Came out really, really cute. I think she would go well with like some jeans and maybe a gold top or something like that. Or maybe like a jean or a denim on dress. And some red shoes or something like that. But she is really, really cute. And so, yeah, that's March bag, Nala. If you like what you're seeing in this video, if you want to purchase any of my bags, DM me on all social media platforms at DTHEE Beauty BEAUTI of Queenz QUEENZ and Crochet CROCHET. That is the Beauty of Queenz Crochet. And if you want to want a custom order, DM me as well on Instagram. You can email me at dbeautyofqueens24@gmail.com. That's dbeautyofqueens24@gmail.com. I will list all my information down in the description box of this video, so you can reach out to me in regards to making a purchase, or if you want to make a custom order. So guys, that is it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We are almost to 50 subscribers, so that is a plus. Help grow this community and move it forward. So I look forward to seeing you guys in next month's video. Bye.